We have a network of approximately 60 distinct trails and approximately 150 kilometres of trail. A lot of that is surrounding Rossland, but it's spread throughout the greater trail region. We try and cater to all non-motorised forms of trail recreation. So around here it's a lot of walking, trail running, obviously all the different styles of mountain biking, a little bit of horse riding. Creating a trail is quite a process. Flag a line on the ground, clear it out with a chainsaw and a brush saw, then we get digging. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. A lot of digging and building up and moving dirt around until we create the trail surface we want. Compared to many communities, we have a really high proportion of use of the trails and support for spending public money on trails, and that makes all what we do possible. I'm just blessed with this opportunity to build trails, and I'm glad I live in a community where people provide the opportunity for me to do it.